This is the makeup I've done today, keeping the festive season in mind. You can use any products of your choice, but if you want to use the same products as me, just mention it in the comments. I'll mention the products and a link if available. Keep watching. Primer, lip balm or lip plumper, foundation, concealer, setting powder, eyebrow setter. Take a neutral eyeshadow, apply it on the crease line. Take a darker brown, use it on the corner of your upper lid. And bring it up to the crease line. Take the same brown eyeshadow and a pencil brush. Put it on your lower lash line. Take a black kohl or a kajal and apply it on your waterline. I'm going to put it on my outer corner. You can take it all the way in if you want to. Take a flat smudge brush and smudge it out. Whatever's left on the brush, use it on your upper lid lightly. Curl your lashes. Use a good mascara. Nude lip liner. Lip liner. Lipstick. Lip gloss. Powder contour. Blush. Touch up your powder. Highlighter. Set your makeup. Makeup is done.